you're watching this, then something has happened to me. And I pray you've made it to Earth unharmed. This world has been chosen for a very important reason. It's the secret location of the Master Emerald. The Emerald has the power to turn thoughts into reality.
Like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man from Ghostbusters.
In the wrong hands, it could threaten all life in the universe. Protecting the Emerald was my sacred duty, and now I must pass that responsibility to you.
This is my moment.
Follow the map, find the Emerald, and keep it safe.